Everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to fix Adobe Acrobat fail to load core DLL error. So let's get started. First, guys, open your start button as you can see here and search for Edit or Remove Program and find Adobe Acrobat as you can see here, and click this three dot point, and the next click on the modify, and the pop-up screen click on the next button and choose the repair and click on the next. After that, click on update and wait to complete, and launch Adobe Acrobat software on your computer and click option and select this preference and the option. Click on protection as you can see here, guys, and click on make sure this protection and check is enabled for English language, and click on start up. And this is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.